The deepest place, the Mariana Trench. Have you ever wondered what secrets lie in the depths of the ocean, beyond our everyday view? If there's one place that inspires curiosity and fascination, it's undoubtedly the Mariana Trench. But what exactly is the Mariana Trench, and what secrets does its abyss hold? Imagine an immense depression on the ocean floor, a kind of black hole on Earth that stretches over 2,550 kilometers and has a peculiar crescent shape. This natural wonder is located in the Pacific Ocean, about 200 kilometers east of the Mariana Islands. But how did such a rift form in the vast ocean? Subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Here we go. The answer to this question leads us to a titanic collision beneath the waves, the Pacific and Mariana tectonic plates. This epic encounter created the Mariana Trench, a rift that plunges an astonishing 11 kilometers below the ocean's surface. To give you an idea, this depth is so great that you could submerge Mount Everest, the highest mountain on our planet, and its peak would still be nearly 2 kilometers below the surface. Both the islands and the trench were named in honor of Mariana of Austria, the wife of Philip Blecher of Spain. When Magellan discovered some of these islands, they were called the Ladrones Islands, a group of islands formed by the peaks of 15 volcanic mountains that form a submerged mountain range that extends along 2519 kilometer in the Pacific Ocean, from Guam to Japan. Politically, they currently belong to or are associated with the United States, divided between the Northern Mariana Islands and Guam territories. The trench was first sounded in 1875 during the Challenger expedition, named after the Royal Navy corvette HMS Challenger, on which the studies were conducted. She gave her name to the deepest part of the trench, Challenger Deep, at a depth of 11,050 meters, in a small valley at the bottom of the trench. The methods used in the study, as in any scientific study, were sounding, dredging, and temperature measurements. Samples were taken using various models of glass-bottomed boats, and a hydrometer was on board to measure the salinity of the water and analyze its density. A method was established to measure depth, temperature at different depths, weather and sea conditions from 3,500 meters. But what lies in these unexplored depths? Life in the Mariana Trench is an amazing testament to extreme adaptation. In the darkness that prevails at these depths, sunlight is scarce and the waters are icy, with temperatures ranging from 1 to 4 degrees Celsius. In addition, the pressure in these regions is overwhelming, exceeding 1,000 times the atmospheric pressure at the sea surface. So how can life exist in such an inhospitable environment? The species that inhabit the Mariana Trench are true survivors, adapted to these extreme conditions. Unlike life on the surface, the fauna at these depths is often blind or bioluminescent, able to generate light to illuminate its dark surroundings. In such a hostile environment, predation and the rain of nutrients from the upper layers of the ocean are the only sources of sustenance. If you were to venture into the depths of the Mariana Trench, you would encounter giant protist microorganisms, small shrimp-like crustaceans, jelly-like and flexible fish, cephalopods, eels, and other fascinating creatures that defy expectations of what we know about marine life. Keep in mind, however, that these inhabitants are concentrated in the first 8 kilometers of depth and diminution number as you descend into the abyss. Still, who's to say there aren't more amazing creatures beyond what we know? Exploring the Mariana Trench has been an ongoing challenge for mankind. Since its discovery in the 19th century, it has fascinated explorers and scientists alike. The first manned descent took place in 1960, led by the intrepid Jacques Piccard, and the most recent was in 2012, when filmmaker James Cameron reached the trench floor aboard the deep-sea Challenger submersible. These expeditions have yielded fascinating discoveries, from never-before-seen fish to giant protists and astonishing giant viruses. But not all is wondrous in the depths. The Mariana Trench also holds evidence of our human footprint. In the midst of these natural wonders, traces of plastic debris, such as bags and other remnants of our daily activities, have been found. A wake-up call to the importance of preserving these unexplored environments and their unique inhabitants. So yes, the Mariana Trench is much more than just an abyss in the ocean. It is a mysterious and fascinating world, teeming with life adapted to extreme conditions and full of secrets that mankind is eager to uncover. And don't worry, subscribe and like the video so you don't miss the next topic about these trenches that hold all the secrets of our world. Are you ready for this? See you in the next video.